स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello everyone, welcome to Maneuver. Here I share the one success story of the Maneuver students. He is Janvi from Borivali Center, right?
Yes.
For the last 83
Yeah,
years. She converted the GLC this year. So she is there to share her experience, how she started her preparation, what was the strategy, and finally got selected in a GLC. So first of all, Janvi, congratulations for your success. And just share your experience, how you are feeling in government law college, because admission part is done.
Admission part is done.
वो हो गया है, तो अभी वहाँ के क्लासेस जो आप अटेंड करो, बिकॉज अभी तो एक्चुअल क्लासेस इज नॉट पॉसिबल, सो दैट्स ओनली द ऑनलाइन क्लासेस इज पॉसिबल. बट ओवरऑल, हाउ इज द योर पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस विद द GLC?
So GLC online, it is a struggling part because
right.
online में the teachers also sometimes don't know how to go forward with it, how to create a link. But the teachers are trying their best. They are being really helpful. Plus, during the online lectures, they share their screens. They share the material that they are reading. So they keep on reading the material and they keep on explaining the same. And plus, the teachers are really good in the explaining part as well. And they
जो एक इंटरैक्टिव सेशन होना चाहिए.
हाँ, they keep on interacting with the students. They keep on asking the students, are they understanding or not? And as soon as a student comes up with a question, they try to solve it in the best manner they can.
Right.
So the teachers are very good.
थोड़ा सा फिजिकल अपीयरेंस होता तो
that would have been better.
ज्यादा बेटर होता, बट ठीक है, अभी पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन भी है एंड द महाराष्ट्र इज फेसिंग द वेरी वर्स्ट कंडीशन राइट नाउ. सो ठीक है, लाइव भी स्टडी करते हैं. लाइव हमने प्रिपरेशन भी किया था एंट्रेंस एग्जाम की, राइट? सो दैट वाज आल्सो गुड, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. और यू कैन सी इन्होंने क्रैक भी किया, तो लाइफ इज नॉट बैड. आपका टाइम भी थोड़ा सा सेविंग होता है एंड आप एक
ट्रैवलिंग टाइम सेव हो जाता है. तो अभी ऑनलाइन लेक्चर्स है, सो इफ यू गेट अप एट 6:50 एज वेल, तो 7 o'clock का लेक्चर यू कैन अटेंड.
करेक्ट. तो मॉर्निंग में उठ के जाना पड़ता है, इससे अच्छा है कि अभी लाइव ही अटेंड कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो जानवी, टू क्रैक दिस एग्जाम, ये एंट्रेंस एग्जाम, बिकॉज द पीपल थिंक देयर इज अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट और काफी कुछ माइंड में चलते रहता है GLC लॉ कॉलेज को लेकर के, करेक्ट? सो टू क्रैक दिस एग्जाम, व्हाट वाज योर चैलेंजिंग पार्ट फॉर यू? क्या चैलेंजिंग पार्ट था इस एग्जाम्स के लिए आपके लिए स्पेशली
इस बार स्पेशली चैलेंज पार्ट कोविड ही था. because कोविड की वजह से they were keeping on postponing the exams. मतलब from June they first postponed it to August, then August से they directly postponed it to November. So that was one of the challenging part, and to keep that patience, that calmness कि
होगा एग्जाम
होगा is there an exam going to happen? मतलब that was a challenging part. Even I gave up for once. मतलब जून में after knowing कि exams नहीं होने वाली, I was like I stopped for some time, but then I realized कि नहीं, they will conduct exam, and then I started studying again. So, but in this exam, consistency is the main part.
Correct.
मतलब if you are consistent in studying from the start, nothing is difficult in this exam. It's only the competitive part. मतलब the exams is really competitive, so that is one challenge. But if you are sure कि your preparation is the best that you have done, then
trust
that trust is matters the most.
Okay. So, and second important thing, you choose the Maneuver for your preparation for this exam. How was your overall experience with the Maneuver? How was it?
Okay, so Maneuver helped me in the mentor part, मतलब the guidance.
Right.
Plus, I was not sure how to attempt the paper. So we used to ask the professors कि what should be the mindset during the paper, what section should I go for first, and then which section should I go for after that, and so on. So that guidance really helped because
Correct.
exam के वक्त in that pressure, in that speed, मतलब you have
Very,
to complete the paper, you have to complete in that pressure, you don't know what to attempt first.
Correct.
And in that case, if you are not sure, if you waste more
Not a
time in
single
the
second.
in that the section which does not require that much of time, so that might not give you the score that you need.
Actually, there is only 120 minutes and 150
हाँ,
questions, so you have to
150
manage. There is
right.
less than 1 minute for one question, right?
So time planning, time management,
Time management
is
is
one of the most important part in this exam.
This exam.
So preparation के साथ साथ you have to work on your speed as well. मतलब each and every section में you have to work on your speed. So that speed comes with practice.
Okay, it means ये सारी चीजें आपको पता चली
After starting, हाँ. Plus the professors used to keep on saying कि read this, read that. They gave us the preferences. मतलब you should read. If for an instance, Dev sir told us to refer the Hindu newspaper for current affairs as well as for reading
English.
comprehension.
Right.
Because he said that they might ask from the Hindu. मतलब कभी-कभी they give one paragraph of the Hindu newspaper as it is.
Right.
So that
So, एक टाइम टू टाइम जो गाइडेंस मिला जिससे प्रिपरेशन में काफी हेल्प हुआ था. तो रियली यू थिंक मेंटरशिप इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर दिस एग्जाम?
Mainly for me because I had also given 5 years law की CET exam in 2017. So at that time I studied by myself. So in that case, the book that I referred did not help me at all. मतलब वो book बिल्कुल भी काम की नहीं थी and I was not able to score well in that.
Correct.
But after getting the right mentorship, after getting the right notes, right guidance, this
From
time
anywhere.
I could. This time I could. So that was.
So then you can think right guidance and right book, right material कितना important रोल प्ले करता है फॉर एनी कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम, राइट? नहीं, अदरवाइज तो अननेसेसरी अगर से नहीं राइट वे में प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो तो वो टाइम वेस्ट हो जाता है. अगर से राइट गाइडेंस नहीं है, मटेरियल नहीं है, उस वे में प्रिपेयर नहीं कर रहे हो, नो डाउट यू आर गिवन योर लॉट्स ऑफ एफर्ट बट विदाउट ऑफ राइट डायरेक्शन. समझो एक फॉर एग्जांपल एक स्विमर का एग्जांपल देता हूँ. यू आर गुड स्विमर, राइट? काफी अच्छा स्विम कर सकते हो और आपको कोई ऐसा समंदर में डाल देता है बट यू डोंट नो इन विच डायरेक्शन यू हैव टू स्विम. तो आप स्विम तो करते रहोगे, चलो 24 आवर कर लोगे, 2 days कंटिन्यू कर लोगे, बट इफ यू डोंट नो द राइट डायरेक्शन तो उसका कुछ मतलब नहीं. एट द एंड आप थक के डूब जाओगे. बट इफ यू नो द राइट वे कि यहाँ पे जाना है तो अगर उस डायरेक्शन में कंटिन्यू एफर्ट देते हो तो वो आपका एफर्ट एक यूजफुल रिजल्ट लेके आएगा. करेक्ट, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. ओके, सेकंड, या
that effort then gives you a reward. मतलब
correct,
if
100%.
you know where to go.
This is the golden word. Okay, so one more thing I want to know, how was your preparation planning for this exam?
So planning when the physical lecture started in the initial phase. मतलब I enrolled in Manure. I enrolled in Manure around on 17th of Jan.
Okay.
So the lectures started in Feb, and once the physical lectures started, I started studying with it. मतलब I used to come home, I used to just read that portion for that period of time. And then with the online lectures, since my traveling time got saved and I got more time to study, so the online lectures, for example, if the online lectures was in the afternoon from 2 to 4, so I used to do one theory subject in the morning. Then after the theory subject, I used to go for logical reasoning, the practical part. And at the end of the day, in the night when your mind wants to relax, I used to go for GK, the easiest but most difficult. It's most difficult to remember but the easiest to study. That was the GK.
And वीडियो फॉर्मेट में जो कंटेंट्स काफी इजी थे,
राइट,
उसको प्रिपरेशंस करने के लिए, बिकॉज आपको ज्यादा एफर्ट नहीं करना, सिर्फ जस्ट वन साइड वाइज हमने उसको लिसन कर लिया, सो दैट इज ओके. एक बार माइंड में आ गया तो फिर यू कैन इजीली रिमेंबर. सो
एट द नाइट मतलब एक आधे घंटे में एज अ वीडियो सीरीज आई यूज्ड टू लिसन टू दैट जीके करंट अफेयर्स के ऑल एमसीक्यूज एक बार. एंड अगर टाइम मिला, इफ आई वाज willing to, I used to refer the PDF as well.
How you use the
GPT.
mock test? Mock test का कैसा practice था आपने कैसे
हाँ,
उसको use किया?
so-
That is also very important.
Right, mock test मतलब after studying, firstly mock test मैंने सबसे पहले दिया before starting studying, so to
Okay.
know कि at which position I am, मतलब
अपना एक
where do
level
I stand,
find
हाँ
out
एक
करने के लिए,
level,
correct.
हाँ how much effort do I need to give more to go for GLC. Then
Correct.
and then after with studying I gave one more mock test, and then the remaining mock test I went for at the last time, मतलब before exams.
So starting से ending तक का जो marks आते थे mock test में वो कैसा
हाँ
था?
तो improve हुआ, मतलब
Continue improve हो रहा था?
the first exam that I gave I scored around 75. Then after studying when I gave that I was scoring around 85, 86.
Correct.
And then last after studying everything, after knowing कि हो गया है, मतलब I am prepared, then I used to score around 100, 104.
Okay, it means 75 से लेके start
86
करता
and
था,
then I reached 104, 107.
104, 105 के
हाँ.
nearby marks आते थे, so that's why you got the 100 marks in this exams. Correct. Any tips and suggestion for the student who are going to appear this year?
This year. The tips is mainly, firstly you have to keep your mind in one college. मतलब if you are appearing for 3 years law, तो put GLC first. मतलब you should
Right.
not have any other option. There is only one option for 3 years law, that is GLC. And if
Single
you are
target.
single target, and if you are appearing for 5 years law, so you should go for NLU Bangalore first. And if not that, then GLC. मतलब the exams, the entrance exams are totally different. मतलब if you are giving CLAT, your aim should be NLU Bangalore. And if you are giving
Correct.
CET,
So GLC
should
is
be
the
your
top
aim.
institution
Right.
for that.
And then secondly you should know your strengths. मतलब when you are studying, firstly decide कि what in each and every section what is your strength. मतलब English में if you are studying English, so is reading comprehension your strength or is grammar?
Correct.
Because जो school में English we had done is totally different. मतलब school point of view से you
वो
did not know
details
हाँ
details
details नहीं था, detail study नहीं था. Then in each and every section if you know your weaknesses and strengths, so then you can refer, मतलब you can study your strength, the strong part later on.
But it means according to that they can focus.
हाँ, they can focus what
Correct.
to study, what not to study. मतलब starting में पहले focus on your weakness, उसको strong बनाओ, and then go to your strong part.
क्योंकि टाइम लिमिटेड होता है ना,
Time
तो उस
limited
limited
होता है,
time में जो वीक एरिया है उसको कैसे इंप्रूव करोगे, जो स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट एरिया उसका बेनिफिट कैसे लोगे, दोनों को
And strong
balance
part
कर-
है तो strong part में try to increase your speed and that strong part. मतलब logical reasoning, if logical reasoning आपको आ गया है, you know कि you know, but then to keep on practicing and keep a time limit.
Correct.
कि
Time
ये सम
management.
हाँ टाइम मैनेजमेंट, ये सम अगर पहले आपसे 10 मिनट में हो रहा है, सो देन ट्राई टू कंप्लीट इट इन 7 मिनट्स, 5 मिनट्स, वैसे 5 मिनट्स मैक्सिमम तक लेके आना.
कंसिस्टेंटली आपको प्रैक्टिस करना होगा फॉर
Right.
किसी भी एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स के लिए, करेक्ट?
राइट.
So mock test will help you to do this thing. Okay, Janvi, as you suggested to our viewers, it means if you are targeting the GLC, so continue practice. आपको एक जो वीक एरिया है उसको स्ट्रॉन्ग करना होगा, जो स्ट्रॉन्ग एरिया है उसको ज़्यादा बेनिफिट से आप उसको स्कोर कर सको, एंड एक कंसिस्टेंट वे में सिंगल एम के साथ प्रैक्टिस करोगे, सो डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट द सक्सेस. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, इजीली आप कर सकते हो, बट कंडीशन इज दैट राइट गाइडेंस होना चाहिए राइट मटेरियल के साथ.
Right.
और जो मैंने आपको एग्जांपल्स बताया कि एक राइट डायरेक्शंस में अगर आप एफर्ट दोगे तो डेफिनेटली सक्सेस मिलेगी. लाइव एग्जांपल इज हियर. कोई डाउट नहीं है, आप देख सकते हो. एंड सो मेनी स्टूडेंट हियर यू कैन सी ऑन द सेम प्लेटफॉर्म. काफी इंटरव्यूज मैंने भी लिए हैं और भी इंटरव्यूज अवेलेबल है ऑन आवर चैनल, यू कैन सी. So continue, the people are getting the success, कोई problems नहीं है, but हाँ consistency is important with the right guidance. So Janvi, this is a very small gift from our side for you, for your
Thank
success
you
from
so
the Manoeuvre
much.
side.
Thank you
So
so
that will
much.
be a very good memory for you. Okay.
Thank you.
So, and thanks for coming to here to share your experience with our viewers.
That was my pleasure actually.
Okay, guys. So see you very soon with the new success achiever, with the new persons, and with new success story. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.